Vdara Executive Corner Suite. Sid's gonna show you around.
We got our lovely half bath in here. Great for getting ready in the morning when your partner's sleeping, because you don't gotta disturb them, hence my hairbrush in here. And over here we have our beautiful dining room table that we have all of our alcohol and coffees on. These may look like water, but you know it's not.
Pro tip, fill your clear liquids in there. What Crown in the Coke bottle?
Yeah, or if you like Captain, a cream soda bottle works perfect. It's the right color. I got lipstick on my teeth.
Yeah, it happens.
In here we got our washer and dryer, so don't worry about overpacking like I do, because you can wash your clothes. And then if you follow us around the next corner, we have a full-size fridge, which we have full of alcohol, leftovers, and water. And then down here we got our freezer, and I got my slushie. We got our microwave, sink, dishwasher, mini fridge with essential stocked, a lover's kit. We don't need none of that.
If you need pots, pans, plates, just call the front desk. They'll bring them right up. Same with the laundry soap and detergent and all that. And they didn't charge me last time for it, so that's cool.
Here is our living room. We got a nice flat screen, a TV, a couch that pulls out into a bed.
Queen size bed.
These are really nice because, like, I did it yesterday. They move separately, so you can put your food right here and just eat and watch TV. You know, if your partner doesn't want it up or buy them, then you don't have to.
This is the view from the 25th floor. Last time we stayed on the 60th floor or something like that. My ears would pop every time we went up and down.
We got our beautiful little corner desk, phone that they charge you ridiculously to use. Your price card's right there with that.
Here's a little view going out this way. We've got Aria right next door. When you stay here, you also get access to all the Aria pools. The Vdara pool is closed down for the season. They just closed that down.
And Aria's pools are only one's open, and it's right next to construction, so they're offering you free earplugs.
Yeah, they're redoing the hot tubs right now. That's both of the Aria buildings there and there. And we could see the arena from here. All right, on to the bedroom. Oh, by the way,
we have slept in here a couple nights before we did our room check, so our bed isn't made. Over here we have our closet. It comes with extra bedding for your couch, a robe, and 2 pairs of slippers.
Iron too.
And an iron, yeah. And a safe right here so you can lock your valuables. Nice little laundry bag.
If you need any room service or any questions or anything, this tablet right here will get you done with everything. Only thing is, when we take it off the dock, it dies really fast. So that's that's annoying. By the way, all the blinds in here are fancy blackout up, and it just opens them up for you, and then you can also automatically open the shades. And what's cool is in the living room, they all go up and down at once, so it looks really cool, like around the corner. And then you got more chargers on the other side of the bed.
And then we have my favorite spot, this lovely soaking tub with this beautiful view. The dual sink with some nice moisturizer, hand lotion. Our other toilet over here. It comes with a blow dryer to use. Flat iron's not included. That is mine I brought from home.
Lavender and cedar wood on that, which is a nice smell.
Nice little magnified and lighted mirror for us ladies doing our makeup, whatever.
And then there's your second toilet of the suite right there.
And then our walk-in shower with a nice little bench to sit on. It's a pretty small bench though. I'm a tiny person and I almost fell off of it.
You get your body wash, shampoo, and conditioner supplied. And that pretty much sums up the tour.
That's the whole room.